Hi, all right, so we're going to work on this geometry problem. So we don't have a picture to know exactly where R, S, and T are. So I'm going to draw a picture. And of course, if my image doesn't look like yours, then you know that we are solving different problems. So keep that in mind. So we have point R, point S, and point T all on a line. Then they give us some equations. We know that the length of RS is equal to 5y plus 3. And the length of ST is equal to 2y plus 4. Finally, they give us the information that the whole line RT is equal to the equation 11y minus 13. So we need to solve two problems. The first problem is we need to find what is the value of y. So we're going to use our segment addition postulate to write an equation, then solve the equation for y. So what we know is that line segment RS plus line segment ST, if we add those together, we will get the entire line segment RT. So this is what our equation looks like for the line segments. Now we can use the formulas that are given to write our equation that we can then solve. So the equation for RS is 5y plus 3. And then we're going to add the equation for ST, which is 2y plus 4. And then we know that that is going to be equal to the entire line segment, which is 11y minus 13. Okay, now we use our algebra skills to solve this. So we will first group our like terms together that are on the left. So 5y plus 2y is 7y. And then we'll work on our constants. So positive 3 plus positive 4 is 7. We add that together, and then that is going to equal what's on the other side of the equal sign, which is 11y minus 13. So now we need to continue solving. We will subtract 7y from both sides. When we do that, 7y minus 7y is 0, so we're left with 7 on the left. And then 11y minus 7y is 4y minus 13. Now we'll add 13 to both sides. When we do that, we're left with 4y equals 20. Now we need to divide both sides by 4. I ran out of room. So 20 equals 4y. We'll divide both sides by 4. The 4 divided by 4 is just 1, so we're left with 1y equals 5. So the answer to the first part of the problem, y equals 5. Now the second part of the question is asking us to find the values for the length of RS, ST, and RT. So we were given equations for each of those line segments. 5RS is equal to 5y plus 3. So now in order to solve that, we can just plug in the value of y that we found into the equation and solve for the length of RS. So then RS is going to equal 5 times y, which is 5, plus 3. So 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3 is 28. So the length of line segment RS is 28. Now we'll do the same strategy for line segment ST. The equation for ST is 2y plus 4. We'll plug y in. Y was 5. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 4. So ST is 14. So now we have two choices. We can either use the equation for RT and plug y in, or we can just add RS and ST together to find the length of RT. So RS we found to be 28, ST we found to be 14. When we add those together, we'll find the length of RT, and RT is 42. All right, have a good day.